Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Panasonic SC-HC17 stereo and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two basic reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this stereo is not connecting or it's frozen and not responding, or if you're having any kind of issues where you're trying to troubleshoot them to fix the issue, a hard reset can fix a lot of these. The other thing is, if you just want to restore this for any reason to the way it was when it came out of the box with all of the settings wiped off of it and restored to their default configurations, we can go ahead and do this. It's really easy to do. All you need to do is, first of all, you're going to unplug the stereo. Once you unplug the stereo, you're going to need to wait for about 3 minutes, or at least 3 minutes, to let everything clear out. Once the 3 minutes are up, then you can go ahead and press and hold the power button on the stereo with it still unplugged. Press and hold that power button for several seconds, and then go ahead and plug the stereo back in, all the while keeping that power button pressed down until you see on the display, you'll see a bunch of just dashes go across the display. Once the dashes go across the display, you can let go of the power button and it will boot up in its default out-of-the-box configuration.